Alright, so in about 2 weeks I'm going to be going to Arkansas for 4 days for a bike trip with my buddy Ben. We're going to go on a bike packing trip in the Ozark Mountains, and I'm really looking forward to that. So I got a new camera, which is what I'm using now, so I'm kind of testing it out. I think I'm going to go on a little bike ride around St. Louis on my kind of usual route up the Riverfront Trail and into Illinois. And I'll just kind of practice some of my videoing stuff and get a good test ride in on my bike to practice riding with all the equipment that I have for the bike packing trip all packed on. So even though I don't think I'm going to be needing that tent or sleeping bag, I got it along with me, and let's just see how it goes. Hello, Lewis. Hello, Clark. One thing I like about the Riverfront Trail is you get to see a side of St. Louis that you don't normally get to see when you're just on the city streets. But behind me is a place that builds bridges, and I guess I've never quite seen it this impressive, but this is a bridge obviously that they're building here on the barges, and then I guess they're going to float it down the river, or maybe barge it up the river to span the Mississippi, I assume. So that's pretty cool. I've never seen that before, but that's an impressive bridge here in the middle of the river. Cool. Alright, I'm on the Chain of Rocks Bridge now. This is kind of the highlight of the Riverfront Trail. It is an real old Route 66 bridge. Very narrow, obviously. Built in the days before interstates and wide SUVs and all that good stuff. But the cool part about this bridge is it has this angle in it. It takes a bend right here in the middle. Kind of see up ahead. I don't know if you can see that or not. And that was done to set up barges for a turn they had to make over here to avoid this chain of rocks. There's just a short waterfall in the Mississippi River. I mean, like inches, depending on how high or low the river is. But it's big enough to screw up river traffic. So anyway, this bridge was built with an angle in it so that the barges could aim themselves away from the dangerous rocks. That's what that is over there. All right, here is the bend in the river. I'm sorry, the bend in the bridge. So there's a water inlet for the city of St. Louis's water supply. So actually both of these are, I think. So the drinking water for the city of St. Louis, which is rated some of the highest in the nation, comes from those two locations right there. At least that's what I'm told. So anyway, cool stuff here on this bridge. Alright, well that was a pretty good ride. That was my route that I like to do on the Riverfront Trail, and then coming back up on the east side down the Levee Trail over there. But now I'm in Diener Plaza in St. Louis, and this is a good place to end the video, I think. But anyway, just got some good camera testing in, flew my drone, kind of practiced what it feels like to juggle all this camera equipment. So hopefully I'll have all my act together for 2 weeks when we go to the Ozark Mountains in Arkansas. All right, thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.